graphical and diagrammatic representation of data. Numerical data can be represented by three methods. 1. Tabulation representation. 2. Diagrammatic representation. 3. Graphical representation. There are two types of tabulation representation, namely ungrouped and grouped frequency distribution table. There are two ways of diagrammatic data presentation: bar diagram and pie diagram. There are four types of bar diagram, namely simple, joint, subdivided and percentage bar diagram. Histogram and frequency polygon are two types of graphical data representation. Friends, let us begin with subdivided bar diagram. In this method, data is shown with the help of single bar diagram. Let us solve first sum of exercise 7.2. Question 1. Now look at the graph and let us answer the following. 1. What type of bar diagram it is? Answer: this is subdivided bar diagram. 2. How many boys and girls are there in division D? Answer: there are 20 boys and 50 girls in division D. 3. How many girls are there in division B? Answer: there are 30 girls in division B. 4. Write the ratio of boys to girls in A division. Answer: the ratio of boys is to girls in division A is 3:5, since number of boys are 50 and girls are 30. The ratio of boys is to girls is 30 divided by 50 is equal to 3/5 is equal to 3:5. 5. Which division has equal number of boys and girls? Answer: division C has equal number of boys and girls. 6. What is the total strength of all divisions? Answer: the total strength of all division is 300. 80 plus 70 plus 86 plus 70 is equal to 300. 7. What is the average of girls of all the division? Answer: the average of girls of all the division is equal to 50 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 upon 4 is equal to 170 upon 4 is equal to 42.5, that is 43. Question 2. The given information is about the figures of income and expenditure of a company. We are asked to prepare a subdivided bar diagram. To draw subdivided bar diagram, first we add income and expenditure of a company. For example, income of a company in year 2004-2005 plus expenditure of a company in year 2004-2005 is equal to 303. Similarly, let us add every year's income and expenditure of a company. Now, let us draw subdivided bar diagram. On graph paper, let us draw x-axis and y-axis, leaving one box from left and one box from bottom. Let us take scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 40 lakhs on y-axis. On y-axis we place numbers 40, 60 and so on up to 380 on every block. Let us begin drawing bars. Let us draw for year 2004-2005. Leave a block after y-axis. Total figure of income and expenditure of a company is 303. So we will draw a bar of 303. 303 is between second and third line after 300. Now, let us divide the bar graph as we know income of a company is 155 lakhs. Let us mark 155 on bar graph of year 2004-2005. Shade the area which represents income and the unshaded region represents expenditure in year 2004-2005. Similarly, we will draw subdivided bars for year 2005, 2006, 2006, 2007 and 2007, 2008, leaving one block after each bar. Let us solve one more example of subdivided bar diagram. Question 3. The given information is about black, blue and red bicycles sold in some cities. We are asked to prepare subdivided bar diagram. Now first we will find total number of bicycles sold in each city. For example, black cycles sold in Mumbai plus blue cycles sold in Mumbai plus red bicycles sold in Mumbai is equal to 495. Similarly, add black, blue and red bicycles sold in each city. Now let us draw subdivided bar diagram. On graph paper, let us draw x-axis and y-axis, leaving one box from left and one box from bottom. Don't forget to write on top of the screen that shaded region represents red bicycles, unshaded region represents blue bicycles, and black colored region represents black bicycles. Write scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 100 bicycles on y-axis. On y-axis, we place numbers on every block. Let us begin drawing bars. Let us draw for Mumbai. Leave a block after y-axis. Total number of bicycles sold is 495. So we will draw a bar of 495. Now, let us divide the bar graph as we know there are 240 black bicycles, 135 blue bicycles and 120 red bicycles sold in Mumbai. Since there are 3 types of bicycles, a single bar will be divided into 3 parts. Let us mark 240 on bar graph for black bicycles. Now add 135 to 240, that is 375. Mark at 375 on bar graph for blue bicycles. Now the remaining part of the bar is for red bicycles. Shade the area which represents black bicycles, shade differently the area which represents blue bicycles, and the unshaded region represents red bicycles sold in Mumbai. Similarly, we will draw subdivided bars for Pune, Nagpur and Aurangabad, leaving one block after each bar.